Welcome to Bengal Indigo Limited, a high-quality denim fabric manufacturer from Bangladesh. With its 20 years of journey, Bengal Indigo has achieved expertise with competitiveness in terms of cost efficiency, productivity, quality, and on-time delivery. With over 244,000 square feet production area and more than 500 skilled workers, we are proudly manufacturing from basic to fancy denim fabrics that can make any client with different tastes happy. Our unique collection includes 100% cotton, cotton poly, cotton stretch, cotton poly stretch. We are currently producing about average 800,000 meters of denim fabrics per month. Our work process starts from warping. Our expert technicians are preparing high-quality yarn for denim dyeing. All dyes and chemicals are strictly inspected by our QC department before production. Our production is continually monitored at every stage of production. Before delivery, we inspect all fabrics using Levi's 4-point system, global standard practices of post-wash, shade, and shrinkage. Our washing plant is currently processing 15,000 to 20,000 pieces of garments per day. Our washing services include enzyme wash, bleach wash, stone enzyme wash, acid and towel wash, enzyme silicone wash. We are also aware of our environmental responsibility, just like we are aware of our business. So we built a mechanical and chemical effluent treatment plant in 2007 that can process 35 cubic meters of wastewater per hour. To reduce water consumption, we installed a 100% water recycling system in 2016. We always ensure healthy food and excellent medical facilities for our workers. We have provided services to prominent brands like Walmart, Target, Pull & Bear, Pepco, Care4, and many more.